All right, guys, we're taking a look at ISO number 18 today. This one has a lot of different directions you can go, but I am going to start looking at it kind of from the side, and it's essentially an L shape. And then it's going to have some other components to it. So that L shape kind of goes right here, if you can see it. I got to pay attention here. The top of that goes out there. Kind of like this. All right, see how that goes in there? So my L shape then is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 tall, and looks like, let me try that again, 2, 4, 5 units deep. All right, 10 tall, 5 deep. So I'm going to start off with that L shape and just do a nice little prism. I'm going to draw on that right side so I can kind of keep it looking the way it's supposed to. All right, so I've done an L shape before, but basically I like to go from the origin out, up, over, up, over, back down. And if I do it relatively close enough, it knows kind of what I'm trying to do and tries to stay true to it. All right, so we said this thing is 5 deep and 10 tall. All right, and then we also know that this piece right here is 2 units, and that distance right there is 2 units. I was second guessing myself. I was pretty sure it was 2 units. All right, so there's my L shape. Check. Now I'm going to extrude that thing. And because I have some features that are centered in the middle of that, okay, so like this piece right here, I'm going to go ahead and make this a symmetrical extrusion. All right, so I'm going to extrude that symmetric, and that's supposed to be, oh, I forget already, looks like 8 units. All right, check mark there. Cool. So now I just need to do a few things. One of those things is I need to create a 1 unit fillet on that edge and that edge. All right. And then if you might remember, there's a nice little channel cutout in the top here. So I'm going to make that channel right now by doing a new sketch on that surface. And it's a rectangular channel, so I'm just going to go from there to there and dimension it. Let's see. I'm going to try something real quick. I haven't done this before. But I'm going to tap on this and see if, oops. I'm going to tap on this and see if it'll let me tap there. No, it won't let me tap there. All right. No biggie. Just wanted to try something. All right, so if I go from here to there, that dimension should be 2 units. That was pretty close. And so should that one, which should leave me 4 in the middle. And then this was right at 1. All right, so there's that. And go ahead and not fill it. No, that's not what I want. I'm going to go ahead and extrude that piece as a remove and go all the way through. Check. All right, so there's that. And then I just have to make that circular component. I've kind of done this before. There's lots of ways to do it, but sometimes the easiest way, especially if that part might change in the future, is to go ahead and just make a center point circle. So I'm going to make one starting here and going out to there. And then I'm going to make another one going here, just out. And I'm going to dimension those things the way I want them to be. So I know I want the distance from here to there to be exactly 4 units. I want that to be a diameter of technically 4, so I think it's 2 units either direction. Is that right? Yep, that's diameter of 4. And then I just need to finish off that sketch. Because that point, this one right here, is already in the middle. So there's really nothing for me to do there. It's in the middle horizontally, I mean. All right, so let's go with an extrude feature and take out that, that, and that as a remove. All right, and again, I want it to go through all, so I'm going to make that, even though it already was kind of going through itself,